Rational Emotive Behavior Therapy, REBT, is a cognitive behavioral approach that aims to help people identify and change their irrational beliefs and emotions that cause psychological distress. It views anxiety as a result of holding unrealistic or absolutist demands about oneself, others, or the world, such as, I must be perfect, others must like me, or the world must be fair. When these demands are not met, people tend to make negative evaluations about themselves, others, or the world, such as, I am worthless, others are mean, or the world is awful. These evaluations then lead to emotional and behavioral consequences, such as anxiety, avoidance, or procrastination. According to REBT, anxiety is not caused by external events or situations, but by the way people interpret them. Therefore, the goal of REBT is to help people challenge and replace their irrational beliefs and emotions, and replace them with more rational and adaptive ones. For example, instead of demanding perfection, one can prefer excellence. Instead of judging oneself as worthless, one can accept oneself as a fallible human being. Instead of avoiding anxiety-provoking situations, one can face them with courage and confidence. By doing so, one can reduce anxiety and enhance psychological well-being.